how to change your birthday on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to change your birthday on TikTok. So here you cannot change your birthday directly in the TikTok app. Instead, you need to contact TikTok support via the help center and verify your age using one of the verification method. So now, without further ado, let's get proceed with that step. So here, first thing first, you need to open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the TikTok app, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And now once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there you just have to tap on help center. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down to the account section and there you just have to tap on see more. And now here in this section, just tap on manage accounts. And after that, you can just tap on any region. I will go with account safety. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and there you can just tap on the button that says need more help. And now here on the next page, you can just tap on account, and after that support will give you the options. So from there you can just tap on this option that says I want to update my birthday. So just tap on it, and after that you can just tap on this button that says edit date of birth. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you can edit your birthday. So here, just enter your correct birthday, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on confirm. And with that, TikTok may also ask you for the verification through the facial estimation or the ID verification as well. So make sure to do that if prompted. And once you do that, your birthday will change on TikTok. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.